the combust is also important. Like keyword for the retrogression is reversal, and keyword for the combust is slowdown. Slowdown or low volatility, low volume, and less market momentum. All these things are possible during combustion of the planet. If one planet is combust as well as, and that particular planet becomes important due to moon transit or transiting in some nakshatras and all, then that will reflect the result. Yes, Troy, you raised your hand.
Yeah, I noticed in regards to combust, I did one test. I don't have a lot of experience with this, but when I was tracking Bitcoin and when Mars was combust, the prices went up from there. So in regards to Mars being combust, could it bring the markets upwards? I know we've got a back test, but could this be a thing that could be, since it's malefic, when it's combust, could it bring the market prices upwards?
See, generally it not happens, but in your case, like what you are saying, so we need to test more for this. Not always it happens. So generally it will, you'll see the slowdown, like if momentum is no there and no volume and nothing is there, then it will not react much. Okay, but if you have seen that in the BTC, you check so for some other days also for the Mars. So we need some more back testing for this. Otherwise, as per my understanding, during combustion, it will not create any hike or the bullish and notable bearish momentum. No, but you can show your case studies maybe with 2-3 other dates, so we can verify it. Also, I think I received your email, so you are recording some video, correct, for that Gann method. So once you do that, then share with us, so we can give it to other students also. They will also learn it.
Okay, in regards to that video, are you thinking of covering some Gann square of 9, do a class on the square of 9? Because I'll create that, I'll do a couple different examples. So how do you feel about doing a little bit of a class on WD Gann?
WD Gann, see, I don't have any case studies or not much content right now. So because I'm not planning anything right now for this particular course. Okay. But maybe after some months, okay, when I have some research thing and all, then we can do it.
Okay, can I ask you, in regards to this question overall, Vinayak Ji, this has been something that's been in my thoughts for a little while. This is an amazing class and an amazing group of people. I would like to ask you a request of considering that we extend this class, because there's a lot that we can learn together, or that maybe you create another class that's maybe different levels. There's so much that we can cover. Maybe we can contribute something.
You can do one thing for this, like see, you all can create one group, maybe WhatsApp group or Telegram group, whatever you feel is correct. Okay, you all can create it. Okay, so that you all be in touch with together. So we can discuss some topics and all. Okay, but the problem is, as a teacher, if I am in the group, okay, that will create issue with management. Okay, so you all can create, okay, but I will be in touch. Okay, so what happens? Let's say if I'm planning any classes, or maybe if I relaunch this batch again and all, so we can invite you. Okay, so I will inform somebody, so you can put that in the group. You all can join that.
Okay, thank you. That's really great news. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So actually my question was on the previous point on retrograde. There was an example where you said Jupiter, if it is exalted but retrograde, gives sort of a negative result. So similarly, if Saturn is exalted and retrograde, would it give a positive result because it's a malefic?
Yeah, this is the opinion of classics. Okay. So, but in market that is not happening. In market, what happens? Let's say if Saturn is showing bearish conditions, correct, and that same Saturn is retrograde. According to definition, that Saturn should create reverse result, correct? But now Saturn is exalted. So what happens? The reversal is not there, but yes, some slightly reversal you will observe. Okay, otherwise it will continue its own nature. So it will protect it.
Okay.
Exalted. Okay.
Thank you.
Like this. But debilitation will give the complete opposite result. In debilitation and retrograde, it will show the reverse.
That will be a negative. Yes.
Yeah. Now, So lack of market momentum, this is the nature of combust. Unexpected sell-off, this is the basic things that we have observed during the combustion. Okay, so these are 4 points which you can verify. So when I say verify, so at least you should verify at least 10, 15 events, at least to be sure. So the very easy is to avoid investing in sectors ruled by a combust planet. See if, let's say if Mercury is combust today, okay, so I need to be careful in selecting the sector that is signified by Mercury, telecommunication and all these things. If Venus is combust, avoid investing in the fashion, luxury or entertainment related stocks. Okay, do not expect immediate gains during combust. You need to wait. Okay, if planet is a combust, even strong fundamentals may not lead to the price appreciation immediately. That happened with the Infosys in last quarter result. That already happened. So these things you need to consider. Use sideways trading strategies if you know
Sorry,
any
sir, I
strategy.
was not able to get this Infosys. What you said about Infosys, sir? Sorry, can you repeat?
Infosys last year that fundamental result when they announced, so that market we have not seen any significant reaction for those figures. This is what I'm saying before the combust.
So, but why did it happen, sir? What
Combust
did you look into the? Yeah.
Due to combust planet during that particular month, Mercury, because Mercury shows the sector for the Infosys, and if that particular planet is combust, and during this combustion, if something is happening, like any news or anything, so you will not see any significant impact for that particular sector. Not good, not bad. Bad can be possible, but at least not good. Generally, what happens if Infosys is announcing the good figures and also what we expect?
The market will go up.
Price, yeah, that price of Infosys should go up, no? But that is not happening. This is what I'm saying. If you know any sideways trading strategies, you can follow those strategies during combustion. That is easy. You can trade within the support and resistance zone. Buy, sell, dono karke better. Look for recovery after combustion ends. There is possibility. This fourth point is not 100% true, but yes, we can expect it. Once the combust planet moves away from the sun, its sector recovers. It recovers if you see any significant decline, then only it will recover, otherwise, no impact. So there are some exceptions that we need to remember that planet is combust in own sign. If a combust planet in its own sign remains partially strong, okay, so it will not experience the complete combustion result. Multiple combust planet, if multiple combust planets, their effect may cancel out. Same thing applied to the retrogression. Okay, retrograde and combust together both. Then what happens? We don't know. Okay, so I don't have answer for it. Okay, so you can check it and let me know so I can correct this line. See, these are the points which is applicable for birth chart also. You can apply in birth chart.